Hey everyone, today I want to show you how I wash my hand-tied wigs. This is my Jon Renau Cameron and the color is Palm Springs Blonde, showing you the cap, beautiful hand-tied cap. Now I have a video that shows how I wash my basic cap wigs, but I want to show you how I wash my hand-tied. I do it a little differently. First of all, I take a little of the Jon Renau detangler and I spray it on the ends of my wig, just on the ends. Now before you wash your wig, you want to make sure you have all of the tangles out. I use a wide tooth comb and I gently go through my wig, making sure there are no tangles before I wash it. So you can see, just gently combing through it, making sure I get all the ends before I get started. Okay, let's get started. I am just going to get this wig completely wet with cool water. You can see exactly what I'm doing. I put my hand under the cap and I really want to soak this wig. Make sure it gets very wet. Okay, that's my first step. Now just gently wring out the water, just gently. I'm going to set it aside. Now you see, I have this basin and I use this for my basic cap wigs. However, do not soak my hand-tied caps. So I'm going to show you why I do this a little differently. Keep in mind your hand-tied caps are just that. All of these have been hand-tied. You do not want to soak it and have a chance of loosening the knots. So we won't do that. What I do have is a large measuring cup. This is what I use. And I just sit it in my basin. I have my wig shampoo. It only takes a few drops. You do not need much. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Okay, I've filled up my measuring cup. I again take my wig with my hand under the cap, under the lace front, and I will just run this water down through it. And then I gently massage it in to the wig. Gently, you don't want to do much. Don't rub this top. You don't need to. Just gently massage this shampoo through your wig. I then turn mine inside out. Now keep in mind, like I said, this is my way. If it's not your way, that's totally fine. Everyone has their own way of doing. I'm just showing you how I do it. I will pour some more on the top. I want to make sure I get my cap clean, and I very gently will massage my cap, just making sure I get it clean. You don't have to, do not rub your wigs like that. You don't want to fray this lace front. You don't want to hurt it in any way. And then I turn it back, and now I will pour and concentrate about halfway down. Again, gently massaging my hair, just gently running it through there. That's all you need to do to get your wigs clean. Okay, now I'm going to rinse it. Okay, I have rinsed. As you saw, always rinse and wash your hair. When you're rinsing your hair, make sure the water is running down the length of the wig. You do not want to turn it upside down and run water through it. Make sure you are rinsing and running the water down the wig just like I did. Okay, and that is what you do there. Now gently squeeze out the excess water. Okay, now we're going to condition. Again, I'm using the Estetica Nourish and Renew. A small amount is all that is needed, a very small amount. Again, I'm going to put it in my measuring cup. Okay, so now I'm going to get my wig. Now when I condition my wig, I try to stay away from the top around the lace as much as possible. And the monotop, again, I want to be very careful. So I just pour my conditioner about halfway down, just like you saw me do with the wash. And I'm going to do just like I did before, gently massage this conditioner into my hair of my wig. Some people pour it over there, some people do not. It is completely up to you. Again, just my process here. And I can feel that conditioner working all through here. Okay, now I'm ready to rinse. Now, gently squeeze out the excess water. Now that you've taken out your excess water, gently lay your wig on a towel, very gently. Cover it, and I press it to get the excess water. Never use a twisting motion ever on your wigs. Gently patting, that's all you need to do. Turn it over, do it again, just gently patting it out. Now, you've washed it, give it a slight shake. Now, you can hang it to dry if you would like, upside down. With my hand-tied caps, I really do not do that. I will do that on basic caps a lot, but these, I usually just give them a little shake, and I will dry them on a wig stand. This ventilates, allows air to ventilate through this wig. I will just put it on my wig stand and let it dry. You are ready to wear it as soon as it dries.